careful.
Your attention, please. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you this urgent warning. A white mouse has just escaped from the experimental laboratories. Before escaping, he consumed enough of a new secret explosive to blow up an entire city. If you see this white mouse, telephone officials at once. And whatever you do, remember, the slightest jar will explode this white mouse and destroy the entire city. Be careful. Please, be careful. Congratulations, Thomas. You've done a fine job. I haven't seen a mouse on board the entire trip.
For the final instruction. The table is set for the grand banquet. You are to guard it with your very life, especially from the king's mousquetaires. Should you fail, nom de pomme, bois de moi, sac de bonbons. Off comes the head. Comprenez-vous? Allez, avant et en garde.
Secret recipe for finalahadi. This is the most delicious dish what you have ever tasted. Such a delicate aroma, such exquisite taste. It will melt your mouth. Are you ready? Into a pot of boiling water, put 2 carrots, 2 onions, a string bean, a paprika, 2 eggs, a pinch of parsley, a dash of pepper, and the last and the most important thing, 1 small fresh fish.
Listen, Cat, I don't know what's gotten into you, but... What the? Hey, you tell him to get off me right now, Cat!